Hello guys, this is Biplov. So today I'm going to show you how to add messenger in WordPress website. So first of all, you should have a Facebook page. So I already created it. So at the left side, just a little bit down, you can see the settings. So click on it and then go messaging. Click on it. So little bit scroll down. Add messenger to your website. Here click on get start. Then click on next. So I already added one messenger on my website, so I want to create a new one. So here is the one option, then the second. So click on next. You can choose the color of your messenger which is actually matching with your website. So my website is a green type of color, so I already selected it. You can change it here using your website color, so it's just a matching okay. So already have it, so click on next. Then here already I added the website name, so if you don't, just add a new your website URL. So I just copy it and paste it here, save it, save successful. Just click to just copy, copy code to clipboard, click on it, then go to a plugin, add new plugins. Sorry. So here search insert header and footer. You will see a plugin, this plugin. Actually, remember this name by web beginners. So install now and activate. So go to the setting. You will see the insert footer and headers and footer. So click on it. Here have three options: script in header, script in body, script in footer. So I want to keep it in footer, so I'll paste the code here. So I'll paste it. Just click on save. When you visit the website, then you can see the messenger option is here. So just click on it. Chat with, there is my website name, the page name, developer Biplov. So hi, how can I help you? Just continue. Just click on continue. Then you can say login into your messenger. That means you can use your current Facebook account, or also you can put in as a guest. Click on it. So I'm just going to say hi. Will it work or not? Yeah, I got the message here. You can see there is a got message from this website. So I also replay it. I also can replay it. Hello, how can I help you? You can see they also get the reply. So this is easy method. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Also like the video. Also share with your family, friends. So thank you for watching this video.